Guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, so you know, it's a hot girl summer. Hot girl summer is coming down to an end, and you know, the fall time is coming. It's time to cuddle. It's time to get cuff. It's about to be cuffing season, as they would say. Okay, and I need to get my ladies right. So in today's video is going to be an educational video. I've done these videos before and people overlook them, so I think it was a good time to revisit this one right here. And we're going to be talking about the female sex organ, okay? The PUSSY, or the cookie, okay? And we're going to be talking about yeast infections, and that, or a lot of people know what a yeast infection is, and then we're going to be talking about the bacterial vaginosis. And bacterial vaginosis is the most common vaginal infection among women aged 15 to 44 years old. Symptoms, if they appear, may include itching and a gray watery discharge with a fishy smell. Untreated BV can lead to serious complications. Treatment is normal with antibiotics. It says some home remedies are suggested, but anyone with symptoms should contact a doctor. BV may also present without symptoms, but if some symptoms occur, they may include discharge, burning and itching. Excuse me, burning and itching. Vaginal discharge may be watery and thin, may be gray or white color, or have a strong, unpleasant smell, often described as fishy. Less commonly, there are burning sensation during urination, itching around and outside the vagina. Between 50 and 75% of women with BV have no symptoms. BV alone is not considered harmful, but complications can arise. Complications that have been linked to BV include a higher risk of HIV infection, as BV increased susceptibility of the virus. STIs such as herpes simplex virus, chlamydia, gonorrhea, and human papilloma virus. Post-surgical infection, for example, after termination or hysterectomy, or possible complications of BV during pregnancy includes early or preterm delivery, loss of pregnancy, amniotic sac breaking or opening too early, postpartum endometriosis or irritation, tubercle factor infertility. So there are a lot of things that can go wrong if you are suffering from bacterial vaginosis. And BV normally happens when you are sexually active with a new partner. So your body is getting used to your partner's body, and sometimes it don't sit too well together, or your guys are just getting it in too much, and it's messing up the pH of the vagina, because the vagina is supposed to be acidic, and then it just throws everything off balance. So I'm gonna give you guys my tips and tricks to help with BV or yeast infection. And it says, make sure you're not having sexual relationship with multiple partners that can reinfect the cookie. Okay, that is the first thing I wrote down. It says, and then the next one is, don't leave panties in the bathroom. They are picking up bacteria. And big up to my sister-in-law Diamond, who is a specialist in natural medicine. She is the one that actually told me this, and I stopped doing it immediately because I realized how harmful it was. A lot of Jamaican women or Caribbean women in general like to wash out them panty as soon as them take it off them. They like the dirty panty in the dirty clothes basket and thing, or they'll wash the panty then put in a dirty clothes basket after it has already been dried in the bathroom, and that's not good because it's collecting bacteria. And also when you're washing your underwear, make sure you're using a disinfecting laundry detergent, something that ties in the panties, okay? Because a lot of cheaper or readily available detergent don't have the sanitizing properties in it. Drink cranberry juice and drink water a lot, especially water. Stay clear from sugars, okay? And if you don't want to go to a doctor, you just can't bother with the hassle and taking those nasty medication that taste bad and make you feel bad. Another route that I know very, very well and I know works for a fact is that you use boric acid suppositories, and I actually have some in my bathroom right now. I don't know why I didn't take them in here, but I'll insert a clip of that in this video. And you can use them, don't take them down your mouth, you push them into the kitty, okay? Put them in and you let them sit there, and it probably give you instruction on how many days to do it, because you can't do it past a week. You are not supposed to use boric acid suppositories for more than a week, okay? It will mess up your cookie, okay? It will mess up the kitty, and you don't want that, okay? Because you're trying to reverse something that's already messed up. So boric acid suppository is my go-to, and boric acid suppository is something that I think is beneficial for women. And make sure you're wearing breathable clothes. Make sure that if you realize you have BV, you make sure your partner get tested and treated also, because your partner can also reinfect you. With that being said, make sure the cookie is good. Make sure the cookie is being kept up and kept properly, okay? Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below. What are your tips for yeast infection and BV? If you're a woman or a male, or you have any insight to these, comment below and tell me if you like more topics like this, like women's health, on my channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.